I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: the 2021 installer, your 25-character license key, and active internet. Open the installer as administrator. Do not skip this. Once done, log into your Acronis account so activation can associate the key with your device. If prompted, accept terms and let the installer download required components. Make sure to temporarily disable VPN or aggressive firewall rules so activation traffic isn't blocked. Create a restore point before major changes. This protects you if anything goes wrong. You now perform the core activation steps. Open Acronis True Image, go to Help or Account and choose Activate Product. Type the license key carefully. Copy-paste is fine, but remove surrounding spaces. After key validation, sign into your Acronis account to register the device. This links the license to your profile and enables features. If offline activation is offered, follow prompts to generate a request file and use another internet machine to complete validation. Once activated, let automatic updates run so definitions and modules are current. You finish by confirming success. Open About or Account and verify the product shows activated. Restart the PC, re-enable firewall or VPN, then run a quick validation backup or mount a backup to confirm functionality. If activation fails, check system date and time. Incorrect clock blocks certificates. Also inspect proxy settings and any corporate network limits. Try a direct connection. If license limit reached, sign into Acronis account online to deactivate an old device or contact support. One key tip: clear cached credentials and retry once network issues are fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.